Does this happen to you? I was in a store, in this case Lidl. This is unsponsored, by the way. It's a German chain grocery store. Aldi's kind of like it, and you can find a comparable product there. I'll try to post a link down below in case you're interested. You're just going through the store, minding your own business, and an opportunity presents itself. In this case, it's a grill top pizza oven. And it was the right price. I think it was somewhere between $30 and $40. I've always wanted to try this out. Relatively cheap if it doesn't work out. If it does work out, it's going to be great. On those hot days when you're running the air conditioning and you don't want to heat up the house for an oven, or maybe in the wintertime when it's kind of fun to go outside in the snow and cook some pizzas. I've done pizzas on the grill before. They're okay, but this is trying to concentrate the heat in a pizza oven. So let's open it up and we'll try it out and I'll tell you what I think. I guess this is an unboxing. Alright. You know, these things are pretty simple. Got a lot of inside packing. Only does a certain size pizza. It's got a dial on the top. Warm, ideal, and hot. Ooh, pizza stone, square. Some instructions. Clean the product. Heat cleaning care. Flour the pizza stone. Place pizza stone inside the pizza oven and heat up grill for at least 15 minutes until the temperature gauge reaches ideal zone. Do not close the grill lid. That's interesting. I would have never guessed that. Product now ready to use. Not suitable for dishwasher. Clean pizza stone after every use. Carefully remove dirt. Here's what the bottom looks like. A bunch of perforated holes. It's mirrored on the inside, which is kind of interesting. And there's two nice little handles, grips, on either side. Here's the pizza stone. Very porous. I feel like it's a piece of sandpaper, like 180 grit, maybe more. So now it's time to put it on the grill, heat it up for 15 minutes, get started. I guess you don't want to have the grill cover on. Maybe you'll blister the paint off or something. Seems inefficient to grill on, but we'll give it a shot. Slide the pizza stone carefully back into the pizza oven. There are some clips on the inside to center it, which I think is kind of nice. Pizza oven takes a 12-inch pizza. And I had a 14-inch pizza peel, so I shaved off a 1/4 inch on either side in order to fit it in the oven. I took a chance heating up the pizza oven by closing the lid. It's around 400 degrees now. Check. Yeah, that's hot to the touch. It's in the ideal area. So let's get a pizza, slide it in, and see how it works. So this is just a regular store-bought pizza. We like extra onions on our pizza, Italian seasoning, and then this is just a double meat. And I've got the pizza all the way up to the front of the peel. I'm just going to put it in there and slide it in. Start the timer and see how long it takes. Here's the pizza view looking inside the oven. You can actually see the camera. 1 minute in. We're a little over 6 minutes in. I'm going to pull the pizza out, rotate it, and then put it back in. Ooh. I'm telling you, this is so much different than putting it in the oven. A 12-inch pizza is about all you can do. A little more than 10 minutes. It's still in the ideal. This is still really hot. We're going to rotate it 90 degrees here. I'm really liking how this is turning out. Alright, nice and toasty on the bottom. We're at 19 minutes. I think it's ready to take out. Look at that. There you go. Nice brown on the bottom. Delicious. Here's a barbecue pizza. It may not take as long. Probably about 2 inches away from the edge of the oven. I'm only using these two burners on the grill. This side are off. If you had a grill that you could put 2 of these ovens in, that would be ideal, because then you could make pizza twice as fast. I noticed something interesting. The longer I have the pizza oven on, I'm able to turn the heat down little by little in order to keep that dial in the middle. So we're at almost 4 minutes. I'm gonna bring it out. Look at that. Rotate it 180 degrees. Put it back in. Right at 8 minutes. Let's give it a shot. See how we're doing. Oh yeah, nice and toasty. Looks great. I think we got a winner. Thumbs up and comments, always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in the testing of all sorts of different devices in the kitchen, in the home repair ideas, making and breaking things. I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe, because you never know what kind of device in cooking you might see. I think this grill top pizza oven might be a great way to ramp up a store-bought pizza.